Hey everyone, welcome back to Shuta's Universe. I'm really happy and excited to share this video with you because I have been wanting to paint a miniature portrait for a long time now. I have watched other YouTube artists to take a challenge that is how small can I draw or similar things, and I had a lot of fun watching them. So today I'm also doing that kind of a painting, and I might also continue doing this. Today I'm painting Kazi Nazrul Islam, who is our national poet. To be honest, I'm not 100% satisfied with this artwork, but I'm happy that I've tried and I will improve. I'm using my Stabilo Carbo Thello soft pastel pencil to draw it because I like to draw with a color pencil or pastel pencil for my painting because that kind of blends with the paint and I like that feature. I feel that I should not be using my pastel pencil like this, and I should buy some colored pencil or watercolor pencil that is just intended to draw for my paintings. I have color pencils right now, but it's kind of my habit that I keep using the same art supplies more and more, the ones that I'm using over and over again. Okay, done with the drawing, and this is going to be a monochrome painting. I will be mostly using burnt sienna for this and some other dark colors mixed with burnt sienna for the darkest parts. I forgot to mention that I am using watercolor paints on a watercolor paper which is pretty nice quality, and a small brush, of course. I'm not sure why I love this color so much, but if I'm going to paint some monochrome paintings, then it's most likely to be this color or something like blue. I had to be very careful and slow while painting the eye areas, for this is such a small painting, and to my mind, eyes are the most important parts of a portrait painting. Please let me know what do you think about this style or this miniature challenge. If you have got some tips for me, then please do share. Pay a visit to my Facebook page Shuta's Universe for more of my artworks. This painting's almost finished. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe and stay connected to Shuta's Universe. Never stop being creative. And don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.